Well, one J Squad, it's your boy Jay, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back.
Come take a journey across the sea to the land of sunshine, culture, and history. Jay says 87.6, it's the place to be when we uncover Jamaica's
So
legacy.
we are in the Bowden area, the swamp area, guys. They are expanding the width of the road, and the road work, as we've always said, continues. So one thing is for certain is that whenever they have a surge, they always have a lot of water coming over on the road. They always have a lot of water coming over on the road. So what I suspect that they are doing also is lifting the road, and they are extending the width of the road at the same time. So the only thing that can constitute, you guys, is a better roadway for us to traverse on a daily basis. Stick and stay, guys. You know, remember, if you've not yet become a part of the JSA's family, like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Taste the food, every dish done right. Come join the party, reggae music's bright. Culture rich, we stand so tall. Let's come together, one and all. St. Thomas, come and see. Jamaica's heart for you and me. Share the love, let it grow. Bring your friends, let them know. Every smile from a friendly face. Join the fun, you will love this.
One thing also to take into consideration, guys, if you're traveling from the Golden Grove area heading towards Morant Bay, I suggest that you leave out early if you have any kind of urgency taken care of, because you are going to experience a level of traffic coming through this area. Whole heap of traffic, guys, because the trucks and the heavy machinery, they are on the road. So if you are somebody who, like most persons these days, lack patience, you're gonna have an issue. But you know, it's all in the development of the roadway. So yeah, man. And when the road fix, guys, may I beg you, please take on the time. Already since the road fix around Golden Grove side, there have been at least 2 or 3 accidents. We don't want to hear about no more of them, so we take on the time and drive the train.
Jamaica's heart for you and me. Share the love, let it grow. Bring your friends, let them know. St. Thomas, come see. Jamaica's heart for you and me. Share the love, let it grow. Bring your friends, let them know. In the sunshine, we come alive. St. Thomas shines whether day or night.
For those who know the area, this is the Silver Bridge area. Silver Bridge, yeah. Only for work I go on, man.
In the sunshine, we come alive. St. Thomas.
Guys, this road work takes you straight into Port Morant. It takes you straight into Port Morant, and then it meets up back with the lethal development that has been working on, where the lethal bridge is. So plenty work, plenty work, guys.
Taste the food, every dish done right. Come join the party, reggae music's bright. Culture rich, we stand so tall. Let's come together, one and all. St. Thomas, come and see. Jamaica's heart for you and me.
To be honest, in a J Squad, one thing I can't say still, you know, the road work, but the place open up and it pretty. Check the view here, man.
Rich, we stand so tall. Let's come together, one and all.
Believe me, guys, when this is finished, it's going to be a beautiful roadway. Imagine it not done and it already looks so nice. This is a lot better than what we are used to. You know? We've always had issues with roadways around these parts, but thank God a lot of development has been taking place, and we're grateful for the change. You know. So alright guys, thank you for sticking and staying with the JC's 876 YouTube channel. Remember, if you're not yet a part of the JC's 876 YouTube channel family, just click the subscription button, turn on all notification bells so you never miss another upload from us. Remember, we're on our way to 3,000 subscribers, so become a part of the JC's family by just, you know, joining our team, clicking the subscription button and turning on all notifications. Also, we would love if you could just drop a comment in the comment section to tell us what you think about St. Thomas and the developments that are taking place. Until next time,